Hey everybody, this is just a quick video. If you have a Samsung dishwasher and you're getting an HE error on the dishwasher. So what is this error and how to get rid of it? So the HE error is a heating error. So the thermostat in the dishwasher is detecting an abnormal temperature. So this could be kind of one of two categories of reasons. Reason number one could be that you have an abnormal temperature in your dishwasher, and the other one could be that there's an issue with the thermostat, that it's detecting something and there's something wrong with the thermostat. So the number one reason that you're probably going to get this is that your dishwasher really is the wrong temperature and it's overheating, and it's maybe overheating because you're using it too much and there's heat building up in there. And so what you want to do is just turn it off and stop using it for a half a day, and or maybe even a whole day, and just let everything get totally cooled down inside the machine, and then try it again and see if that doesn't get rid of your error. And that should get rid of the error. And if it doesn't, you might have, it could be that the water going in is too hot, or it could be that, again, that you have a thermostat issue and you might need to get a repair person out to fix the thermostat. But anyways, so that's what it is if you have an HE error. Hope this helped. Have a great day.